At roughly 5,400 pounds, 30 feet long, if you've been looking for a bunkhouse for the family, packed full of amenities and features you're not going to find on an entry-level camper without a slide, check out the East to West Silver Lake 27 K&S. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young standing inside the Slideless 2021 East to West Silver Lake 27 K&S, which stands for King, no slide. King bed and master, no slide here, but it is a bunkhouse. So if you're looking for an entry-level camper for the family that's roughly 30 feet long, you need bunks, this is the one for you because this joker is packed full of amenities. And I'm a fan of East to West anyway, mainly because you can only find them at Gander and Camping World, but also because of how they do their manufacturing process. They're very sustainable, so they reduce and reuse to shrink that carbon footprint, impact on the environment, but more importantly, it helps them pass savings along to you, which at the end of the day, that's a win-win-win across the board for me, unlike my Chicago Bears. So, right back here on the campsite, we have ourselves double over double bunks, got a window there, dual USB charging port and power port, and as you can see, the max capacity is 300 pounds per bunk, which means you could probably get 2 adults up there, unless they're 2 adults like me. I think me and Ian could probably get on there. We might combine 300 pounds. Got suspension netting for your storage under here. Great spot for the bags or the hunting gear or the fishing gear. And that's another great thing about this camper that I noticed. This would make a good deer blind. If you're a hunter, imagine you're up here, you got your sight there, you got your bigger sight there. I'm just saying you got options. Over here, we have our sink, a large single basin vanity sink with the brushed nickel fixtures, GFCI outlet, mirrored medicine cabinet here. I do have the raised lips, which helps keep stuff safe while we're in transit. Got me some storage underneath the sink there. But that is your bathroom sink because your bathroom, the toilet and the shower are nestled back here on the rear off-camp side. Now, you got a porcelain bowl with the foot flush. I'm not cramped left to right, definitely not cramped up or down because you have 81 inches of height inside these interiors. But I got my suspension netting here for the shower. Slide that open so you can see it. If I can get it open. There we go. Had to unlatch it. Look at that. That's right on. Single surround shower with corner notches, large skylight, brushed nickel fixtures. Now, how's the headroom? Really good. 81 inches is a lot of height. And with me being over 6'2", I got plenty of space, got the inlay there, giving me lots of natural light, including with my powered fan right there and vent. You get a ton of natural light in here. Don't even need the lights on. Got the motion sensing light right there. Can't even really tell we turned it off. But good spot to do the cleanup if you got the dogs or the kids. You got the little mini tub in there, and you probably will still get splashed on the outside. But having this type of curtain, not only does it maximize entry space, it minimizes storage space. So a lot of times you have to squeeze to get into there. 8 cubic foot fridge freezer combo that runs on both gas and electric. You got the wood paneling there. And as you can see, we got plenty of space for that long weekend, maybe those week-long trips. If you need room for the kids, the drinks, the sodas, you got it. 48-inch dinette over here on the campsite, which is plenty of room to sleep 2 adults when this thing reduces down. Plus, we have the storage underneath. Full extension, solid wood on the ball bearing drive, so you don't have those awkward panels to lift up, lift up under the cushion and try to get your stuff in there. You got a nice drawer to do your storage in. Large window here on the campsite with a wood valance, letting in great light and cross breeze. Plus, I got the window over here on my kitchen, which we're going to get to in just a second. But this is your reconnection spot. Look at the space that you have right here to not only enjoy a camp-cooked meal, play board games, play the card games, enjoy the sunrise, the sunset, sip coffee and reconnect with the loved ones or the kids, or just friends and family. There's no slide in this camper too. And they were able to fit this 48-inch dinette, which is a pretty big accomplishment if you think about it. Because look at the room that you have. This reduces down into a sleeper, get 2 adults there. If somebody's sitting here or somebody's doing some prep, Now, they might be a little tight walking by. That's going to be the negative of having that big dinette, but still not too bad. For the weight, the price, and the space, you can't beat this. 3-burner cooktop with the grill style cover. Have my oven there, so if I want to bake my turkey or my turducken, absolutely could. The flush mounted microwave. Solid surface countertop, under-mounted farmhouse style sink with the sprayer nozzle right there. Mushroom light, GFCI power. Good storage space underneath as well. And once again, solid wood construction, ball bearing drives, full extension, giving you plenty of storage options. Shaker style cabinets with the brushed nickel fixtures up top. And for the temperature, we got R7 insulation all the way throughout, enclosed and heated underbelly. We've got a 35,000 BTU furnace, which is ducted inside the paneling. You'll see it like right there, Bob. I don't know if you can get that. So you won't have soft spots in the floor. You know, you got this nice slip-resistant, easy-to-clean flooring, but having the ducting inside the paneling, you don't have the soft spots underneath. And you got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with the quick cool. Why is that important? A lot of times on entry level, you don't get 15 and 35. You get a lot smaller. You get 13.5 and you know, sometimes 30, sometimes 28, 20. But having 35,000 BTUs on the furnace and 15,000 BTUs on the AC, it's a very nice touch. It makes a big difference. And for entry level, that's a difference you should absolutely check out, especially if you want to do some serious 4-season camping. Hey, we want to go to X, Y, and Z, but 4 Seasons different in Albuquerque than it is in Albany. So you got to talk to your specialist at Camping World at Gander. Let them know how many people you want to sleep, where are you going to take it, what are you towing with. Let them guide you through that path because they're great at it. TV backer right here, cable hookup and power. So if I want to do some entertaining, I can. Plus I got some storage up top. I got my speakers mounted in the roof too for my Furrion AM/FM command center with Bluetooth, dual zone, HDMI. That's cool because you can control it from the app, play your music inside and out. And then if you need some additional sleeping space, how about a plush, comfy jackknife sofa right here? Now, once again, no slide, bunkhouse, plenty of sleeping options. If you've been looking for that camper to set up as a hunting cabin or a fishing cabin, that ladies' weekend getaway, you want to do the wine tour, girl, yes, count me in. I'll take a ticket. I'll drive. This is the camper for you because you have great sleeping space plus tons of amenities. More storage up top right there. Good room, good space, well built, no slide, and separation of space. You don't have just a curtain leading into the master. It's not just a slide door. It is a wall and a door separating the master from the rest of the camper. Entry point here. And the other great thing about this not having a slide is if you're somebody who's like, well, when we're on the road, we need to access the fridge and the bathroom. You don't have a slide, so you can access the fridge and the bathroom. Bada bing, bada boom. Coming to the master, king size bed, 72 by 80. Got my panel right here, so if I want to hook up my TV, a mount, cable connection, and power is all right there. Skylight right there. King size mattress with strut supported storage. Why is that a good thing to have? Because when you're loading your stuff, maybe putting your bags away or your hunting gear and your fishing gear, you're not having to hold a heavy king size bed up and do it at the same time. Solid wood doors here on my ward storage. Plus I got drawers, solid wood, full extension, ball bearing drives, plenty of room, USB and power ports on both sides, LED push button lights underneath for reading, side opening doors for my storage lip up here, and even some cubby hole storage back behind. So if you want to store, you know, your drinks, you know, maybe it's your water bottle, whatever, you got the spots right there. Large windows on both sides as well with wood balances. That bed's comfy, ain't it, Bob? I see you. Yeah, get up. Don't be falling asleep out here. Come on, man. So, roughly 30 feet long, sleeps 7 to 10 easily. Great for that family that wants something a little bit more lightweight in an entry-level camper, but still has a ton of amenities. The East to West 27 KNS. I like it, man. What do you say we go outside and take a look at what's out there? So here we are on the outside of the 2021 East to West Silver Lake 27 KNS. Right up front, diamond plated rock guard, Superflex roof, that fiberglass roof, which is fully walkable, twin 20-pound LP tanks up front, powered tongue jack with LED light, and you have that automotive coated single beam frame under there, which really gives you some good strength and power as far as being able to put weight on top. Love the gray on the side of this aluminum camper. Absolutely love it. Finished off storage in here, which is pass through. You can hang some little hooks here. So if you want to put your rods, you know, your rifles, whatever, just beach towels, beach chairs, you can throw all that stuff in here, but good space. Underneath, you'll see we have a heated and enclosed underbelly. And if you have the solar panels, here's your 10 amp quick connect right here. Easy to access. You don't have to worry about trying to dig around on the front or get to some spot under the nose. Solid steps leading into the main entry point here. Extra large door that doubles, or extra large grab handle that doubles as a door guard. Large awning with the LED light strip. External speakers. You remember inside we had that dual zone command with the Fury and AM/FM command center. Very nice to have. Power options and satellite if you'd like to set up some outside entertainment, maybe charge your phone, set up the TV, bada bing, bada boom. Got the Dexter Easy Lube axles with the nitro-filled tires on this, and that extra wide berth right there between those axles is really gonna help with the rocking going back and forth. You don't have to worry about, you know, too bad of a ride going down the road. Good grab and go spot right here. Finished off storage. This is under one of those bunks here on the campsite. Love the fact that we have this here because my wife really doesn't like it when I get my bag someplace in the kitchen. I love my grab and go bags. Backpacks, Kavu bags, water bags, whatever. Depending on what we're doing, I like to have a backpack. Well, this right here alleviates that because you got your space for it right there. LP quick connect, so if you bring your grill, your connect is right there. 4x4 sewer hose storage, spare tire mounted on the back. Arched ceilings on this with the rubber guards on both sides. Make sure the rain, the snow doesn't fall on you or the slide. And we are set up for backup camera prep. Terminations right here. There's my rear stabilizer jack right there behind our terminations, gray tank, black tank, as well as sewer outlet connection. Black tank flush right here. 30 amp plug right here. No slide on this one. Freshwater drain is right there. Freshwater connection as well. And our main connections here. City water connection, cable and power, plus sprayer port, which can double as an external shower. You got your little porthole for it right there to give you some additional security like that. But the most important part of any camper is going to be this info panel right here. This is where you come to see, okay, how much does this one weigh? Well, gross vehicle weight, 7,700 pounds. Dry weight on this one is roughly 5,400 pounds. So you're looking at something lightweight, 30 feet long, can sleep 7+ very easily. A slideless bunkhouse, packed full of features. That's a rare find. And when it's entry level, with non-entry level amenities at an entry level price, that's even rarer. So if that's something that you're looking for, I would absolutely jump on this 2021 East to West Silver Lake 27 KNS. But leave me some comments down below and let me know, what'd you like about it? What'd you not like about it? Because we love hearing from you. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify. So the next time we do a video, you're the first one to get it. If you want pricing and availability on this little beauty right here, there's a little link in the description. Just says click here for price and availability. I'm Chris Young for Camping World and Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you for spending time with me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to hearing from you soon. But as always, please come check out a camper because they are fun. I'll see you soon.